Hello everyone, in this video, finally, CAPTCHA Oh no! Oh wait, hold on, I actually misspelled it. It's not CAPTCHA it's CAPCHA bot.cc. It's gonna load. This site has been reported as unsafe. Awesome, that's what we're looking for. Continue to the unsafe site. Hey, come on, man. Give me the access to the CAPTCHA. I've been sent this 4 hours ago, and it seems like it's already dead, maybe. Or maybe it's detecting the proxy that I'm using. Oh wait, did the DNS break? No wait, DNS didn't break. Okay, it's working. It's working. Okay, so it appears the malicious site is back up now. So we're gonna visit it at captcha CAPTCHA bot, but the CAPTCHA is misspelled. Who cares anyway? Alright, the site has been reported as unsafe. We've already seen that. It has some issues. Man, I gotta work for this fake Cloudflare CAPTCHA. Come on, brother. It just loaded. Like, before I started recording, I was doing a Hail Mary curl request, and it actually loaded. And it no longer loads. What the hell? Alright, Bob, I'm changing the IP. Alright, I switched the IP one more time. Let's give this a whirl. Oh, awesome. There we go, finally. CAPTCHA bot.cc. Verify you're a human by completing the action below. And here we got an iframe. And the iframe is... Oh my lord. Can I just view the source? The iframe is considered unsafe, so it doesn't render. Oh lord, please, just let me view the source. I might not load this ever again. Where's the iframe at? So, and the source is a reference.html. We can run this separately. Okay, yeah. So I think they basically ripped off the Cloudflare CAPTCHA, and it contained an iframe, so they just used the Cloudflare template as a blueprint. Is there any way I can somehow turn this off? It's annoying me. Alright, here we go. Edge, settings, privacy, smartscreen. Turn this crap off. And let's update the website to get access to it. Please work. I want to change the IP again. Okay, we're good. We're good. I got another IP address. Let's use it wisely. By entering captchabot.cc, with CAPTCHA being misspelled. Lovely, finally. No Microsoft Smart Screen. Okay, so this is how the website looks. CAPTCHABot.cc, verify you're human by completing the action below. And essentially, you get a complete ripoff of a real Cloudflare CAPTCHA. It doesn't look off at all. You get the privacy button, you get the terms button, you get the Ray ID, and it looks very genuine. Until you hit the checkbox. Please wait while Cloudflare validates your connection. Extra verification needed. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, paste the verification text by pressing Ctrl plus V, press OK to verify you're not a robot. This is why all this time I was looking for a fake Cloudflare CAPTCHA, because it looks the most genuine, And I think there's supposed to be an image, but it didn't load for some reason. Oh wait, no, it didn't load. Okay, there's no image. Well, it still looks pretty genuine, right? I mean, as a tech guy, I understand this is a malware and they're trying to infect me. But as a tech illiterate person, I might as well just paste that. So it's very crafty. They're using the property of a run box. The fact this text box has a limited length and you have to scroll to the left to get to the actual meat of the command. And rem is pretty much a comment in batch. So they just made a comment which does nothing except abstract you away from the command that they're actually running, which is at the beginning. And the command is conhost.exe start headless cmd run script enter user profile, then save a.exe from this IP and port right here. And then run conhost.exe headless again, and then pretty much run the a.exe. That's it. It's not the MSHTA way, but it's another way of tricking the anti-malware into thinking you're actually running conhost, and conhost is running this code right here. So let's see what it's all about. I mean, I can pretty much strip anything from this command, but I think I'm gonna download this separately. Yeah, beautiful. We get the download. It's 3 megabytes long. It's a virus, quite obviously. Cause dead. It doesn't let me download though. I want to download it. I need to turn off Microsoft Defender first. Wait, no, it doesn't. It's so annoying when it comes to malware. I can't do anything with malware whenever Microsoft Defender is around. I mean, that's how it's supposed to be, right? Let's check out the properties of this file. Nothing here. Very interesting. So that's what we're going to run. It's gonna save it to my user profile. It's gonna save it right here in this folder and then run it. I'm gonna run the task manager and show you exactly what happens. Press OK. Conhost is running. Threads found. Doesn't matter. There's a.exe. Is it gonna detect the lol bin? No, it detects the malicious file itself, which is running. And then God knows what happens. So I'm assuming this executable has an anti-VM inside of it. It has anti-VM code. It has VM detection. So it's not going to run. It's not going to do anything of importance. Okay, here's the a.exe I extracted from that VM. Now we're in a hardened VM, so let's go ahead and see what it does. I'm gonna run the installation tracker and process hacker as usual. I'm not gonna go super in depth into the malware analysis. You can do that with tools like any.run, but I just, I can't be bothered, man. Because all this is pretty generic. But let's go ahead and run that. Installing a.exe. There it is. There it is. App launch. Applaunched.exe. Whoa! Hold up. I think it impersonates Microsoft.NET Framework. Oh, so it's at a startup value. So it's gonna run on every startup. And then it started the app launch, but I don't really quite get why. Is there any command line? Well, not really. What is app launch for, though? I think that's a red herring. I don't think it does anything. It just saves itself into a folder and then puts itself on startup. Could it be a stealer? Okay, So it's gonna start itself yet again. Kinda wanna see what's going on already. I need process hacker for that. A.exe just started with Explorer, obviously. Let's see what it does. Applauch.exe. Oh, honestly, I don't really know what's going on. Could it be injecting something into that process? I'm puzzled. If anyone in the comments down below want to explain why that happens, and what could be the potential reason why it creates app launch, be my guest. Comment down below. And in the meantime, my subscriber sent me another fake Cloudflare CAPTCHA, which is, I mean, I'm not even gonna read that domain name. So here's how it looks. It's a little different. It doesn't do dark mode at all. It doesn't even try. But yeah, you see there's no link here as opposed to CAPTCHA bot, which doesn't freaking load. But I'm gonna edit that in to compare. And it looks kind of fake. It's a little cheaper. It's a little more cheaply made. And it reloads every single time. I can't even do anything. But once we click I'm not a robot, let's see what happens. That's what it does. To better prove you're not a robot. To better prove you're not a robot. Sure, please. Press and hold the Windows key plus R. In the verification window, press Ctrl V. Press enter on your keyboard to finish. You will observe and agree. Oh my god, dude. Come on. Come on now. Stop restarting every time. You will observe and agree. I am not a robot. Recaptcha verification ID 645221. Perform the steps above to finish verification. I don't know what recaptcha has to do with any of that, but sure. I didn't have enough time to press verify because it updates every single time. Oh, wait, hold up. Did it copy anything into my clipboard? Let me unload it into Notepad. If the web search in Windows works... Oh, wait. Really? It worked. So let's see what this guy does. PowerShell, starts PowerShell. Then it obfuscates the string. HTTP plus S plus that. It concatenates the string. But yeah, that's one of the ways to trick anti-malware into not detecting the malicious links. It's to obfuscate and concatenate the strings. That's one of the ways. And it just adds the link, a la ba 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 cloud, and then another bit of obfuscation here. Then it creates an object. Yeah, I think it just downloads an executable and then runs it. Well, that's the idea anyway. I am afraid to run it, but let's do it. Oh god, this looks horrendous. But let's do it via the run box. Sure. I'm gonna make it canonical. See what it does. Apparently, I've been proven right now that there's an abundance of these fake CAPTCHAs. I just don't know how to find them. It really does nothing? What? No way. It must be... Why does it self-close? Let's start PowerShell. Oh my god, come on. Oh, it's downloading a txt file. Yeah, sure. And then it's probably like replacing T's with E's. Some kind of thing like that. $C, that's a variable. Well, let's restore the obfuscated string. That's kind of fun. Wait, what? Oh, it just lagged for a bit. Let's deobfuscate that real quick. HTTPS Alibaba. Oh, wait, Alababa. I'm sorry. .cloud /cv. It's KH. Where's KH? KH. Oh wait, KH is that plus B, which is the double slash plus $C, which is CVG plus all that. Okay. CVG VQI 06 .txt. What is I? I is already, it's a part of the executable script. Oh, it's gone. Is it? Allah ba 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 ba. This is why it's failing. Okay, yeah. But yes, this is another tricky kind of thing that these fake CAPTCHAs employ to avoid anti-malware detection. Yeah, and that's a fake Cloudflare CAPTCHA. This one is not plausible at all. The CAPTCHA bot one was pretty good though. I'm gonna give him that. Put that in the run box. Find out it's the same IP and the same port and the same file. And we can be done with that. Thanks for watching and take care.